Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. What you need to do? First, just go to this site paxful.com and then here buy Bitcoin, pay via, just select PayPal, and then I want to spend, just enter the amount you want to spend here. After that, click find offers. And you see here I got some offers that I can buy via PayPal. It's only one here, and he got 2 likes. Just click buy. This is what you need to do if you want to buy Bitcoin with PayPal. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.